Get ready to boost your trading skills in just 5 weeks. Invictera Global Academy presents a 5-week Forex and synthetic mentorship starting July 1st, 2025. Join us online or physically in Lagos. Plus, enjoy free weekly Forex trading classes and webinars. Registration is ongoing. Pay only $100,000 instead of $300,000. That's 60% off. This isn't just any course. It's complete trading education. You'll learn market structure, liquidity, price delivery, smart money concepts, news trading, risk control, and how to stay emotionally stable while trading. And yes, you get 1 month free access to our VIP Signal group to practice with live support. Take action now. Join a community that helps you grow, trade, and win. Your journey starts here. Ready to start? Scan the QR code to enroll or call 0816-518-7693. Follow us on all social media platforms at Invictera GLB. Visit us at our training floor AL Image Lab opposite Command Secondary School, Lagos. Let's walk this trading journey.